another virus. Yes, another one.
You don't know what's in the box. I do. You don't know what's in the box. Oh look, that's good.
Wow.
That's for me.
That's for you, yes.
For the bonsais, when I cut the branches, it makes it cute.
Like that. For the bonsai,
Yeah.
this one.
And there's some pots for the
Pots for the
bonsai.
bonsai.
That's for me as well.
Is that all?
No,
And what was that?
this one. This one is for you.
Really?
Yes.
This is for me.
Shall I open it for you?
No.
I can slice it and
Okay.
yes or no?
Just show it
All
here.
right, that's for you.
Yeah, this is for me, and I don't know what is inside.
That one's for you as well.
This is also for me.
And I think this one is for me.
Wow.
Yes, this one is for me.
What is that?
So this one.
Yes. Open that here.
Oh, sorry.
I cannot.
So here we go. This one should be a microphone. This is a wireless one.
Oh, that is for me.
Which means I can walk away from the camera, and it will still hear me talking.
Yes.
That's this one. Here we go.
Yeah.
Professional wireless headset microphone. There we go.
You said you buy two.
Battery pack that goes on the belt,
Yeah.
and then that's the transmitter. So that's that one for me.
That's all.
That one there.
No.
There it goes.
Oh yes.
There we go.
It's look. Wow. Nice.
That's the
Wow.
headset. Okay. That's the
Yeah.
battery pack and transmitter.
Oh my God.
So that's the battery pack and the transmitter. That
Ah,
sends it to the
this one.
Yeah, that sends. You wear that on the back here.
Oh, on the back.
This plugs into the video camera. So if you've got a 3.5-inch jack, it goes in there. If you've got a smaller one, that goes in there. That goes into the video camera
Okay,
or the
this
phone.
one.
Okay.
Okay,
This
wow.
sends a signal to that.
Nice.
This sends a signal to that, and you can be up to 100 feet away, and it will still hear what you're saying.
Wow.
So
Good.
I could be down the other end of the garden
Yes.
and talk it with the video camera down this end.
On this one, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice.
And that's the charging cable. That's for if you're going to put it onto the computer.
Look, what is it? I don't know what's inside. Ano kayang laman nito? We'll see. Ano ang laman? Kaka-excite naman. At dalawa. Ko. Oh my God, for the cake! Oh my God, this is for me, for my cake! Oh, do you know? This is for me, for my cake! Yes! I've got it! Look at that! Oh my God! Yeah! Really? You kidding me? Oh my God! This is for the cake. Yeah, when I design something. See? How was that? Wow! Oh my God! What is this purpose? This? I don't know. It looks like a brush. Oh, and oh my God, you have a different things in there. And the brush. This is all I need for my cake when I decorate. Make a decoration with it. Wow, this look beautiful. Wow, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love it a lot. Oh my God. This Okay guys, we proceed to the other one. Okay, we'll proceed and we'll see what is the other one. What was that? Yeah, this one. Okay, nice, I love this. And we see this. Okay, this one. Okay. No, not microphone. I hit with the mic. Look. Hi. Look at that. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Look. So how do I need a battery with this? Shoot with a mic. Yes. Okay, guys. I'll let you know if this is good to use. Okay. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.